Hello from Slovenia again. This will be just a quick experiment on 8-inch round canvas with this kind of leaky reverse colander pour or whatever, and I will use just black and pearl white. I know that maybe it will be a lot of gray color, but I don't know why this I just want to see if I will get kind of pearly cells with this stew or some interesting patterns. So I just have to be careful not to add too much paint, because yesterday I had way too much paint, I think. So, but it's kind of hard because you don't see what you are doing, what is under the colander, but it is part of it's fun part in the way too, because it's total surprise when you lift up your colander. So let's see what will happen just with black and pearl white. It can go totally, the wrong way. Can be just a blob of grayish thing on the canvas. So I wonder what would happen if I spin right now when I do that. So I think that I will have enough paint real soon, because it's almost hitting this edge of the colander. So just think that I want to have black last, and I will wait a second. I like this pattern on here, I really do. Just I don't hear if it's dripping. I'll try to look into these holes on the sides, but still some drips. Can still see that paint is dripping. Let's remove this as quick as we can, that we will not drip as I thought. Just the weird worms. Let's try to do something with that. have to go through these worms. I think that I get rid of all these worms, but as I was afraid that pearl white will be just too much. Maybe just with black and white, not pearl white. Okay. Let's leave that. I really don't know. Interesting in a way, but still or maybe just a touch of pearl white and a lot of black would do the trick. So here it is. A lot of these tiny little details and some lacing, but definitely too much pearl white. But I think that it could be a good idea to do just a touch of pearl white and a lot of black, maybe, because otherwise the center is nice and kind of look three-dimensional. Oops, sorry, in a way. I like the center, but definitely less white. So this was a quick experiment for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.